everyone.
Happy Sunday, everyone. Hope you guys had a great weekend.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comment section how you've been getting on, what you've been up to. We'd like to know what you guys have been up to this weekend.
Yeah, and I know I keep mentioning it all the time, but I really want to know what barbecues you've been having.
Yes.
So
this weather has been barbecue weather indeed in the UK.
It has. It is really, really warm right now.
Hot.
Even standing here in our office right now, it just feels so clammy. But it is the second Sunday of the month, which means it is a PO Box Sunday. We only have two packages. We only have two packages today. So we thought for the rest of the video, why not give you an update on some things?
Yes.
Some good news, some bad news, and some very exciting news for the summer.
Yes, indeed. So, with that saying, let's get open with the packages, shall we?
Yes.
What's the first one we got, Steffi?
Alright, so the first one we have, there's a lovely package, and it feels very fragile. How do we open it?
They've made it a challenge to open it for us. I call these packages Steffi proof because Steffi struggles to open them.
I'm getting it.
But as you know, she's been doing lots of fit for me, and she's getting stronger every day.
There's the letter.
Oh, we got a letter.
Oh, got a letter.
And she opened it with ease, so it's definitely not Steffi proof. So, first letter we got is, Dear Steffi and Dave, I hope you like the present I made. I just want to say that I love watching your vlogs and seeing what you get up to when you're in Florida. Can't wait to watch your next trip announcement video. Give Jess and Logan a big hug from me, from Sydney. From Sydney. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Sydney.
Thank you.
Oh, I wonder what I found.
What is it?
Shall I open it up like this?
Yeah.
And then like this. Oh, I love it.
Oh!
Look.
That's pretty awesome.
Oh!
That's amazing. Wow, I was not expecting this.
It's right here.
In the feels.
In the fields right now. It is Dave, Steffi, Krispy-Smore, Jess and Logan.
And it's all with Scrabble letters.
Oh, you put Jess and Logan in it.
Oh, that's really cute.
Oh, I love
I'm
that.
not sure if you can see that. Steffi and Dave, Krispy-Smore, Jess and Logan. Awesome.
Oh my gosh, that is so fun.
That is adorable. Thank you so much,
you
Sydney.
so much.
That is amazing.
So our next one is this lovely package.
Yes.
This one, we actually know who it's from.
Yes, we do.
And we have been in talks with her. And we are very, very excited, and I cannot wait to show you. So they are ears. They are from Hannah Marie Magic, and it's these.
Ooh!
Now Hannah has created these amazing sequin ears, which are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Now you may be wondering, why have we got two?
Yeah, as you know, some people think I look amazing with ears, but they're not for me.
No.
So
yeah, she's made these beautiful, beautiful ears for us, which, if you're wondering, why have we got two, we will explain a little bit later.
Yes.
But we just thought we'd show you right now, because we're very excited about them. We absolutely love them.
They're beautiful.
They're so beautiful. Look, I can put them on my ear.
Should I put mine on?
Look.
They look beautiful.
They're perfect.
They're
perfect.
We look amazing.
And not only that, she sent me these ears as well, which are absolutely beautiful, very feathery. I can't remember what the name of them are, but they're very Pandora.
Oh, that's very true, actually. Yeah.
I do quite like them.
They're very, very nice.
If you are looking for any ears at all on Etsy, Hannah Marie Magic, we will leave the link down below. She has an Etsy channel. She also has an Instagram as well, if you want to go and check her out on there. And yeah, she's got her own Disney ear business, and yeah, she's created these lovely things. So what are the two ears for? Are they for a giveaway? Or could they be for something else?
So as you guys know, if you don't follow us on our social medias, we are doing two meetups, one in the north, one in the south. The first one is going to be on the 28th of July at Brighton near the West Pier, and the next one is going to be on the 18th of August at Blackpool beach. We haven't given the specifics of where it's going to be. We'll let you guys know when it comes up.
We are trying to figure out a meet-up place for this, so whether or not we're going to meet up at Stanley Park, or if I can find a nice area along the seafront to meet up. But if anyone has some really good locations for us to meet up in Blackpool, because you know we don't live there, we don't live near there anymore, so we're finding it kind of hard to try to track down and find a really good spot. So if anybody is from the area and there is a lovely spot on the beach, just comment down below, let us know.
And we'll look into it.
we'll look into it. In this meetup, of course, you're going to see our lovely faces, but we have been rallying around some prizes so that we can do a charity raffle. One of those prizes will be one of these. Obviously, one's going to be for Brighton and one's going to be for Blackpool.
Yes.
So if you are attending these events, you've got these beauties and a few other things up for grabs, including some things from Japan as well.
Oh! So with the actual charity raffle, we wanted to let you guys know that we're actually going to be giving all the money away to the PDSA, which is a charity, a veterinary charity that is very close to our hearts because with our rabbits and everything. And so we wanted to give back to this charity that's helped us out so much.
Yes.
So all the money raised will be going to them. So let us know as well in the comments if you are making it to the event, so we'd like to know who's going.
And we're very, very excited.
Yes, we're super excited
We're
to meet you guys.
super excited to actually see you all.
Yes.
So there's our very, very exciting news.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. So, should we do the good news or should we do the bad news, Dave?
I'll probably best to do the bad and then we can end it with the good.
Okay.
So, as you know, every year we always announce a Walt Disney World trip. And you know, kind of tell you guys the dates, what's going to be happening, and I've got some real bad news for this year. We're not going to be going to Walt Disney World this year. I'm really, really sorry.
What's basically happened is quite a few things that have come up for September that's out of our control, and we've been trying to push it back, move it. For us to actually go out there for the fall is becoming even more impossible. Unfortunately, you know, adult life gets in the way and there are things that we can't like get out of. So this is one of the situations that's happened. We are incredibly gutted, incredibly heartbroken, but that's not to say that we're not going to go back. So we are definitely going to go back. Luckily, with the vacation that we have, we've been able to push it a little further back.
Yes.
So it will be possibly early next year.
Yeah, early 2019 is definitely the dates we're confirming. Again, we're just finishing everything off with the package that we've got, and then we'll let you guys know. So again, we love you all, guys. Thank you very much for being super supportive. And again, sorry for, you know.
I'm sure heartbroken. So we will announce our trip sometime in the future when we've got everything 100% confirmed. So yeah, unfortunately we're not going to have any Florida content at the moment, unless we actually find a last minute trip. That's true. A 7-day trip or something. That's which true. You know, knowing us, we just randomly like spring up on these little things. So you know, can't really confirm anything.
Yeah, but you know, again, if anything does change, we'll let you guys know instantly. But this isn't. We're not saying there's going to be no Disney content, because we do have a trip planned. Oh gosh, yeah. I mean, things happen for a reason. This just moves over to our good news. We may not be going to Florida in September, but we are going to Disney. Yes. We are going to Disneyland Paris because we've kind of signed up to the half marathon, which. Exactly. You don't need to say anything. It's speechless. So we've always wanted to do a Disney run. A Disney run has been on our list for a very long time, and Disneyland Paris have only recently introduced these a couple of years ago. Of course, they do the one in Florida, which is around January and sort of something like that. But again, we weren't able to fit in our time frame, so we decided to go for a half marathon at Disneyland Paris, which is on the 23rd of September.
I'm gonna die.
Which kind of gladly fits in with the Fit For Me stuff.
Yes.
Easily.
Yeah.
So we're going to be experiencing that. Of course, we are going to be going to Disneyland Paris for Halloween, because we do love going Halloween.
Yeah, of course we're going to be there. So, I mean, we may be missing out on the Florida Halloween celebrations, but we're not missing out. We're definitely not missing out on the Paris celebrations.
We're definitely going to Disneyland Paris.
Sure.
That has definitely all been booked and confirmed. We're definitely going for the Halloween soiree, which is going to be absolutely awesome.
And we will be updating our annual passes.
Yes, we will be updating our annual passes. Checking out the new Marvel superhero show, which is going to be awesome in Walt Disney Studios.
There's going to be some really fun stuff. Not only that, on our channel as well, we've got our weekly vlogs that are coming out very, very soon. I'd say in the next 2 weeks. So we're recording it this week, and then rolling it on from then.
Yes.
We've got Vlogust as well, where we'll be uploading every single day of August.
Yes.
Because we're not going to Florida in September, we may be continuing on with the weekly vlogs.
Yes.
And as well, we're off to Italy as well. And a lot of you guys have been wondering if we were going to vlog it, and we may vlog a little bit for you.
Yeah. The main reason why we're going there is for a friend's wedding.
Yes.
And so we're going to try and make it into a holiday and kind of push it for like a week or so and try and have a little vlogging session there.
Yes.
And things like that.
So there we go. That's all of the updates and all the announcements that is happening currently.
Yes.
I really hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. I'm really sorry about the bad news about not going to Florida. I'm
Sorry,
really
guys.
good. I'm going to cry in a minute. But thank you so much for Sydney.
Thank you for the frame. It's amazing.
And of course Hannah Marie as well for donating some ears to our raffle as well.
Yeah.
If you do want to send anything to our PO box is up here, which is PO Box 3214 Eastbourne BN21 9RF United Kingdom.
And if you can't...
I feel like a children's presenter saying that.
And if you can't read it on the board, it's in the description down below for you guys. So anything from cards to letters, just to know where you guys are from would be absolutely awesome.
Yeah.
So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. We really do appreciate all your support. Also to hit the subscribe button down below and to hit the notification bell of when our future videos comes out, because obviously we've still got lots more Tokyo videos coming out for you guys, like the continuation of our first day at Tokyo Sea.
Yeah.
And thank you guys for all your support, because we didn't expect these Tokyo videos to do really well, and they've been doing absolutely amazing.
And hello to all of our brand new subscribers. Welcome to our community.
Yes.
And if you haven't already and you haven't clicked that red button down below, click it. Click the red button down below, and to make sure as well to smash that bell button as well.
Yes.
So that you are notified when we bring out a video as well. Because YouTube is not releasing the video on our channel. So yeah, make sure to hit that notification bell, because then you'll get notified with a link that will send you straight to our brand new video. It's almost like an exclusive thing by things.
You know, it's just...
It's just an exclusive thing. You get to watch it before the video comes up on our channel.
Yes.
I think that's probably what they're trying to do.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Giving you the hot scoop before everybody else gets it. So with that being said, guys, thanks very much for watching, and we shall see you on the next one.
Bye.